Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to remove a space member on Gmail. Whether you're dealing with unwanted distractions or just need to tidy up your chat spaces, we've got you covered. Let's get started. First, grab your Android device and open the Gmail app. You'll see the familiar interface pop up. Next, tap the Chat tab at the bottom of the screen. This is where all your spaces are listed, so let's move to the next step. Now, open the space that you want to manage. Once you're in, look up at the top, where you'll see the space name. Tap on it. This will bring up some options, including one for managing members. Once you're in the Member Management section, tap on Manage Members. Here, you'll see a list of everyone in the space. To remove a member, find the three dots next to their name. This is the option you've been looking for. Finally, tap Remove from Space. And just like that, the member is gone. It's as simple as that. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and tricks.